This combo has aroused many controversies as well because many anticipations. The reason is the idea that consuming lemon with baking soda can protect against cancer. Remember that there are plenty of foods labeled under the term carcinogens and are only natural elements with great antioxidant and alkalizing properties. But having these types of properties does not mean that it can prevent us from suffering from this disease. And even much less that individuals can cure a cancer. Let's see what great properties it is certainly to have a cup of lemon juice with baking soda. 1. Alkalizing. The mixture of lemon and sodium bicarbonate provides the property of alkalizing the organism. This assists us, for example, to combat acidosis that may occur when the kidneys are not removing enough acid solution from the body or when your body produces too much acid. 2. Digestive. You already know the multiple virtues of the lemon to facilitate our digestion. If we add a little bit of baking soda, we'll get a wonderful mixture to make our digestive system work much better. It is a good anti-acid which also fights flatulence. 3. Decorative. A great success. Start the day with this remedy, as it allows us to purify the liver, and gives us a good dose of vitamin C, potassium and wonderful antioxidants with which to fulfill our day with the necessary and adequate contribution. 4. A good regulator. Drinking water that is rich in sodium bicarbonate will allow us to regulate the level of bad cholesterol, thus improving our cardiovascular health. How to take this remedy? We only have to serve a glass of mineral water, never too cold or hot, and add a teaspoon of baking soda, and juice of half a lemon. Make everything homogeneous, to drink it in the morning and fasting. We will likely take this for 2 weeks in a row, and after that rest 2 more. Extreme intake of sodium bicarbonate can lead to alkalosis, therefore it is better to alternative 2 weeks, 2 weeks on and 2 weeks off. Remember also that it is not appropriate to take this remedy if you suffer from gastritis. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.